Hey, good morning, traders. This is Frank Chali with MF Global coming to you from the Chicago Board of Trade. Monday morning, October 10th, with early calls in the grains. On the overnight session, we're looking for grains to open higher across the board. Corn, 9 to 11 higher. Soybeans, 25 to 27 higher. And wheat, 12 to 14 higher. In the outside markets, we have the dollars down, the treasuries are down. The two big safe haven trades are negative today. The equities and other commodities across the board are higher, so grain's no exception there. What's the story today? Risk is back on the idea that the European leaders are close to an agreement. So, look, if you want to go out, buy all the commodities, load the boat on that news, be my guest. For me right now, when we're talking about the grains, the short-term trend is down. I have no reason to expect that that's going to change. We are at historically high levels still. Even after this big correction in the grain markets, we are at historically high levels for this time of year. We have a lot of supply coming into the pipeline right now. We have competition, at least in the wheat department, from the Ukraine. They are lifting their tariffs, and that is going to pressure our wheat also. We also have an adequate supply in wheat. As I've been saying all along, wheat supply is not the concern. It's just going to really follow corn. Now, last week, it was reported that corn harvest was 21% complete. This afternoon, we get that update. Every Monday, we get the crop progress, and now we're focusing on harvest. So expect corn harvest this week to be somewhere around 30%. I'd say I wouldn't be surprised if it's a little better. Go from 21% last week to 30+% this week. Good weather is expected over the next couple weeks, and a lot of progress could be made in short order there. So, we got this harvest pressure going on right now, and again, these are the highest levels we've ever seen at this time of year. So I'm not expecting anything more than a recovery bounce here. In the soybeans, there's been a lot of concern about demand. There's been a lot less demand than what was expected, especially when we talk about China. And at any time, China could come in, they could buy the corn, they could buy the beans, and that'll give the market a boost. But for the time being, I'm thinking the Chinese are looking at it the way I am, that there's just too much harvest pressure right now. There's too much competition from other countries, and that they would rather wait this out and see if prices come down a little bit. Last week, soybean harvest was reported 19% complete. Expected to be upwards of 40% or so this week. A lot of work getting done. Keep that in mind. And then again, real quick on the wheat, wheat is likely to follow corn. The dollar obviously is the biggest outside influence on the grain commodities right now. So keep an eye on that. If you'd like, give me a call, 866-231-7811. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.